Hi, second grade. I am so excited to talk to you a little bit about today's lesson. It was fun to see Micah's face today. I miss you, Jace and Kiana and Bella Jo. I hope you all are doing great. I wanted to teach you first a fun little game that I played with Micah. I played it also with Jace so that you guys can play it. And if you have bigger siblings or cousins or friends that you want to play with, it's really fun. You can take any cards. I have the Phase 10 cards. I don't know if you've ever played that game before. It's pretty fun. Phase 10. And what you would do is first you're going to find the sum of problems. And a sum of a problem means you're adding. So the addition problem here is 9 plus 6. So you're going to find the sum and you can keep score. So if you know who you want to do a keep score and see who gets the most, that would be fun. So 9 plus 6 is 15. Then you're going to do the same thing, only you're going to do the difference. And because we are in second grade, we're going to start and we're just going to know that the big number is the number we subtract from. Always subtracting from the big number right now because you're only in second grade. So 9 subtract 6 is 3. So then is what you would do. You take two cards and you find the sum and you'd find the difference. So I've got 5 and 7 added together. It's 12. 7 subtract 5 is 2. And you can go on and go through. If you have regular playing cards, I always use the king. So it goes up to 10, and then the jack is 11, the queen is 12, the king is 13, so that you're going up through 13. Oh, and the ace is usually the 1. That's how we play it at our house. It's up to you, whatever you want to do. You have the ace is 11. I don't know. There's lots of different ways to do it, but that's how we would play it at my house. Or you can find other cards that have the numbers on it. Uno cards are great. Those are all fun ways to play. So you're adding and subtracting, finding the sum. Also, if you can please be practicing your addition and your subtraction. If you need to, and you only want to do every other problem, or you just want to do a row, do what is going to be helpful to you. I just want you practicing. That's all. And I don't want you to cry about it and be frustrated with it. That's okay. I just want you to just practice a little bit so that you're ready, because we're going to be hitting the ground running when we get back to school. A couple things I wanted to talk to you about, and it was a little bit intense, but it's okay. It's important to be practicing and learning. We are on the third story here in Place for Me. It's where Teddy is looking out his window. And remember, the little boy came and he was talking to Teddy about the carnival and how he was in the carnival. So then he ran away, and then he came back and he had a monkey. And he did a little thing for the little boy, poor Teddy. And I want to first show you this word monkey. If you look right here, this word monkey, it has a O, an N, a K, and an E right here in the middle of the word. These words are called V, C, C, V. That means vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. And so whenever you see those, you're going to draw a line there through there. So I've got another example. How about we've got brother. There's a vowel here, consonant, consonant, vowel. So right in between that T and that H, we're drawing a line. If you see words like that, just look at it and just look closely. Vowel, consonant, vowel. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. It's just kind of how things are, because we have a lot of different ways that we can form words in the English language, and that is one awesome way to notice what your words are spelled like. The other thing I wanted to talk to you about is like the word brother, father, mother. Do you hear the sound at the end of all of those words? All those words are family words, but they all have the sound. That sound at the end of the word is denoting that these are the brother, mother, father. So whenever you're reading, just notice those sounds at the end of the word. The other thing I wanted to talk to you about is when you have a word that ends with CK. So we have this word. The monkey does tricks. Tricks. Do you hear that? The I is short. Whenever you have a CK, If there's a vowel in front of it, which I think pretty much every word there with a CK has a vowel in front of it, it's going to be a short sound. So we have tricks. If you think about this word right here, it's right next to tricks. I'm just changing one letter, and that is trucks. Do you hear the U? That's a short U. It's the sound. It's not trucks. It's trucks, because that CK is making this a short sound. Think about this one right here. I'm going to do two of them, and you're going to know this one. We have the CK right in front of it. This I is going to be an I sound. So we've got tick, and then we have an O, talk, tick, talk. It's a short O. It's the sound, not that. It's not toke. It's talk. So anytime you have the CK, that letter in front of it is going to be short, because if we had a word like, it's not L-I-C-K, because it has this E and it's saying its name. So it's saying I, the long sound. Like, that E is making it say its name. But if I had a L-I-C-K, the CK right next to it is making it go eh. So it's lick. This is how you would spell lick. Like my dog was going to lick my face. Ooh, I don't like that. Okay. As we're reading through, I want you to read the passage, and I want you to underline any word that has the CK, and I want you to underline any word that has the sound, the mother or the brother. And also, if you see any VCC words like monkey, would you draw a line between? That's what I want you to practice. And then when we get back to our meeting, which will be on Thursday next week, so that I think is July 2nd. We'll meet on July 2nd, and we can talk more about all of that. I'm so thankful for you all, and I'm praying for you. If you have a minute, if you've seen this video before, tomorrow is the 24th. I'm meeting with the city to talk about building a play structure, a basketball court at the school. So if you would just pray that meeting goes smoothly. It's at 2:30, and I hope to see you all on Thursday the 2nd. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.